everyone, this is Chloe. I hope you guys are doing all well. I got this new Chanel Le Vernis nail set and I would like to share with you. So this is the limited edition and I have ordered it from the Chanel Canada website. So the package looks like this and let me open it up. And when you open, this is a Chanel nail sticker that included in this set, which is so pretty and beautiful. Here we have 2 sheets of 45 nail stickers in this Chanel iconic style, such as Chanel CC logo and camellia flower, like that. I love them so much. This is the reason why I purchased this set. Let me get closer. And the other one is in this white. Look at this. These are the white color. So these can be good if you are wearing the dark nail polish color and then apply this on top of your nails. And then here we have 2 nail colors. One is red and one is white. These are 2 iconic Chanel shades, which is good to have in this set. And this one is a gel coat. So I'm going to show you each items. So this is the first color, it's a red color. The shade number is 147. It's a new shade. Chanel nail polishes have the double cap like this. And I heard this new nail polishes has renew with their applicator. And the brush looks like this. I think I'm going to compare with the old version of the nail polish to see what's different. Okay, here I have one of the old version of the nail polish and the applicator looks like this. Let me get closer. This is the old version and this is the newer version. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, here you can see the detail. This bottom brush is the old one and the upper one is the newer version. So as you can see, newer version is easier to apply as the brush is much wider. You can see here. And let me apply on my nail. It's very pigmented as you can see. And it looks like this. And the second nail polish is this white. The shade number is 101. It's a kind of very milky white color. Let me try to apply on my nail. This is one coat. I think I will definitely need to apply second coat. And here we have gel coat. This one doesn't have any shade number as it's a gel coat. It's a top coat. The inside of the formula is a clear gel coat. It's like that. Okay, I'm going to apply my nail with these nail stickers. So here I have applied a red color on my nail, so I'm going to wear this white color. So let's check the size, and I'm gonna have maybe this size, this one. It looks like this, and I can apply the gel coat or top coat on top of this sticker. And I'm going to apply this star with the little CC logo. This one on here. Okay, I have done with the top coat, and it looks like this. I can do my self nail at home, which is good. I just hope they make this sticker separate from the set, and we can continue to buy them instead of buy these full set. Just stickers with the less price, that would be good. That's my thought. This set price is 132 in Canadian dollars before tax. Their individual nail polish price is $44. So this set is a pretty good deal. It's like you get nail stickers as free when you calculate it. This is a very nice gift option in my opinion. I love the idea to make this set something different and fun. I hope you find this video is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at chloeidea.collection. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!